I'm Dorothy from Dorothy Daphne Designs, and today we are diving into one of the most exciting but also most strategic parts of being a fashion designer: how to build a collection from scratch. Hi everyone and welcome back to Dorothy's Diary. So whether you are a fashion student, a startup founder, or just passionate about design, this is the full behind the scenes breakdown of how a collection really comes together. So grab a matcha and let's go. Understand your brand DNA. Before you even start designing, you need to have a clear idea of your brand identity. What do you stand for? Who is your customer? What message are you trying to communicate through this collection? This is your anchor. If your brand is about modern elegance for busy women, then the fabrics, silhouettes, and styling, everything should reflect that. I always revisit my brand's core before a new season, even if it's just a mood boarding keywords that define the tone. So remember your core. Turn the identity into visual language. This is where the mood board comes in. You want to visualize the essence of the collection. Think texture, color palettes, cultural references, styling notes, and even typography. It's more than the aesthetics, it's the blueprint of the collection. I always build both a tactile and digital board, one for real swatches, trims, and tear sheets, and another one on like Photoshop, Illustrator to keep the vibe alive again and easy for me to access. So you can easily do both or one, whatever works best for you. Build a cohesive range plan. Now it's time to map out the collection. How many tops, bottoms, outerwear, dresses are you including? Do you have accessories? Which fabrics are core? What price point are you aiming for? This is your collection skeleton. It also helps you avoid over-designing or missing key commercial pieces. Always design with your customer's wardrobe in mind. How will they style these pieces? Where are they going with them? Think about the customer always. Secure manufacturers and supplier early. Before sketching anything final, lock in your suppliers and manufacturers. Trust me, it saves you tons of heartbreak later. MOQs, which is the minimal order quantity, fabric availability, color limitations, all of these will impact your design choices and collection at the end of the day. One time I designed a full capsule using a specific Japanese cotton, only to find out that the MOQ for that cotton was around 2,000 meters. We basically had to scratch the whole range because we couldn't meet the minimum, so that's why it's so important to know your manufacturing suppliers before you even start. So the design development, this is the fun part where creativity flows. Sketch the collection with proportional templates to ensure consistency. Make sure that the design direction reflects both your mood boards and your range plan. Keep that customer in mind with every sleeve, button and neckline that you design. I like to design around 20% of emotional pieces and 80% of commercial pieces. In that way, I have a strong identity that I can actually use. Now we get technical. Develop your tech specs, size specs, everything a manufacturer needs to produce your samples accurately. Create a production timeline calendar, also known as critical path, to track fit sessions, adjustments, delivery windows, and launches. Communicate everything clearly and double check details. Anything that's missing on the spec can delay your collection completely by weeks, so make sure everything is there. Fit samples, adjust, and bulk production. Once your samples arrive, it's all about fit testing. Don't settle for good enough. These sessions are where great collections get refined. Adjust, test, repeat until it's right. Then go into bulk production, confirming the quality control, packaging, and make sure that the garments are transported safely to avoid any damage. Plan the campaign and launch. You need a photo shoot that reflects your vision. Choose models, art direction, styling, even location. Everything needs to reinforce the brand story. Don't underestimate the power of visual. A strong campaign can make or break a collection's performance online. So once you have your content, it's launch time. Get your e-com lookbooks, press kits, and stock lists ready. Make it shoppable and shareable. And voila, your collection is born. Yes, I know it's a lot, but every step plays a role. When it's done with clarity, intention, a collection can become more than just clothes. It becomes a narrative of what your customer wants to be a part of. So let me know in the comment which is your favorite part of the process, or which step are you stuck in right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with fellow designers. And as always, dream, inspire, design.